Unplug, same why.
New plug on your beat.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jason here. Today, we just got done replacing the plug on my beloved floor fan. If you guys don't have one of these, definitely get one. It's great in the summer months, keeps the bugs off you, keeps the air flowing in the shop. I only really got it off right now because I'm talking to y'all, but let's go. Today, we're replacing the old plug on this thing. I got all zapped out during the hurricane. I had it plugged in the wall and I kicked the power on and it just blew it all up. But it's worked all the way up until now. But you should always replace it if it looks like that. We're going to replace it with a new unit here that I got from Walmart, but you can pick these up at Home Depot. I'll have a link in the description below to this fan if you want to get one, and also to the plug. Tool-wise, there's not really much you need. I got some lobbers, something you can cut through the thick cord with, standard pair of wire strippers, and a good old-fashioned Phillips head screwdriver. All right, first things first, we got to go ahead and cut the old plug off. And I don't know if you're like me, but I'm a length man when it comes to my cords. So cut it all the way to the end so that way you don't lose any of this cord. Plus, if you're starting with the really short cord and you're not really sure of your wire stripping abilities, you're going to want to have that extra length so that way you don't eat all the way down to inside your device and have to replace the whole cable. So just cut it as close as you can. That's why the lobbers really help. After you get the old plug cut off, this is something you want to do. This is a rookie move. If you don't do this, go ahead and slide that metal clamp and the black cut portion on to your cable. And this is because you're going to terminate the yellow portion onto the plug, and then you're going to want to slide this back up. There's no way to get it on once you tighten all these screws. So save yourself some time and some heartache. The next thing we want to do is we want to remove the outer shield on the cord. And inside there, we're going to find our 3 insulators that we're going to end up terminating into the new plug. But first, we got to get this outer black sheathing off. And the way I do that is I take my wire strippers, and if you look all the way on the inside, it's almost like a little cutting edge in there. And I just slowly nip until I kind of just break the surface of that rubber sheathing. And then if you bend it, it'll kind of break the rest of the way. And just slowly work it around until you get the black part off. And then it'll expose your 3 conductors on the inside, and you shouldn't have any nicks in those if you follow this method. Now with our 3 conductors exposed, we want to have about 1.25 inches on each of them. We're going to put about 1/4 inch, maybe to 3/8 of an inch inside of the little screw holder on the back side of the plug. And then we're going to have about 1 inch of insulated wire that's going to be housed inside the plug housing. If you stick to these amounts, the plug will slide together very nicely, and you should have just enough to insert it into the screw slot and tighten the screw and not have any insulator showing. We'll start off by doing the green. The green is the ground. It should have a green screw, so the green wire into the green. The ground is this bottom prong if you're not familiar with plugs, okay? The next one we're going to do is we're going to do the hot, which is the black. Now the hot, in most cases in America, is going to go to the brass screw or the gold screw. There's a saying, black to brass, save your ass. And that's so you hook it up right and don't blow yourself up when you go to test it. And that just leaves you with the neutral, which is the white wire, and that's going to go into the silver colored screw. Also, if you look on your plug, the wider spade that goes into the wall, that's actually the neutral, the wider one, not the hot. Now all we got to do is pull the black cup back up onto the yellow plug portion. If you see the holes, they're kind of looking like triangle pattern here, but the 2 that are down by the ground prong are a little bit closer. So make sure you get that lined up so you get it in on the first try. Tighten all those screws down, and all that leaves is the clamp in the back. Go ahead and dog this puppy down, guys. This is what is really holding the plug onto the cable, not those little terminations that you made in here with the screws, okay? You want this thing tight. And from now on, you should never be doing this, but definitely don't be doing it once you have a replacement plug on. Don't be pulling the plug out by the cable. You want to pull the plug out by the plug. And these new plugs, they give you something to kind of pull on. So do that, okay? After a repair, never pull it again by the cable. Pro tip. All right, after that, the only thing you have left to do is plug her in. Mine fired right up, and man, was that breeze missed. Well, I hope this helped you through a project. You probably found this video just because you were in the same situation. If it helped you out, please give me a like. If you want to see more stuff like this, go ahead and give me a sub, and I'll pop up in your feed. I'm always doing little projects like this around the house. Thanks a lot, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Cut the old plug off, sparks in the rain. Burn marks on the jacket, but I'm wired the same. Took hits in the fight, still carry that flame. New end on the cable, now I'm back in the game. Cut the old plug off, sparks in the rain. Life tried to short me, couldn't kill the main. Copper in my heart, current in my veins. New end on the cable, now I'm back in the game. Afraid at the edge of the pressure got real. Mud on my boots, scars all over the shield. People saw damage, I was learning to heal. Every cut in the line taught me what to reveal. Had to strip back layers, find the truth in the core. Lost power for a minute, came back, wanted more. Storms hit hard, but I ain't what I was before. Now the voltage run cleaner than it ever did before. If the lights go dark, I'll rebuild the route. Every setback show me what resilience about. They counted me out, now the signal break out. New connection made, hear the whole room shout. Blah, blah, black tape, memories wrapped around pain. Water got inside, but I survived the strain. Every bend in the core made me stronger again. Now I carry more load than I did back then. Hands steady working while the world move fast. Failures in the toolbox, lessons that last. Thought the line was finished, thought the future was past. And I could be new, ending in the power. Cause the lights go dark, I rebuild the route. Every setback show me what resilience about. They count